Hi, wherever you're joining me, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a platform dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, with the occasional segue into other areas of tech entrepreneurship. I'm Hari Arakli, and this is the Daily Brief. So let's get started. InSpace has facilitated the transfer of 5 ISRO-developed technologies to Indian industry with tripartite agreements signed in Ahmedabad between InSpace, NSIL, and the recipient companies, according to a press release. The ISRO-developed technologies are expected to boost self-reliance and reduce imports in biomedical, solar, and manufacturing sectors. Notable transfers include LTCC multi-chip modules and adhesives for solar panels. InSpace, which was founded by Government of India 5 years ago to support private space sector in the country, has now executed 98 transfer agreements, driving industrial innovation and indigenization, according to the press release. ideaForge Technologies Switch UAV has received DGCA type certification needed for deployment in civil, paramilitary, and enterprise sectors, the company said in a press release. Switch offers military-grade performance with vertical takeoff and landing, long endurance, and high payload for tactical and industrial missions like border surveillance and infrastructure monitoring, according to the release. The certification affirms Switch's reliability and safety, supporting expanded use across critical applications and reinforcing ideaForge's leadership in advanced aerial intelligence, according to the press release. Nasscom has released a new report tapping the consultancy McKinsey as its knowledge partner, highlighting India's technology services sector's shift from pandemic-fueled digital growth to AI-driven transformation, India's biggest tech lobby said in a press release. Between 2020 and 2025, structural changes accelerated, with enterprise budgets now focusing on AI for productivity. The report forecasts muted near-term growth through 2027, but robust 12 to 15% expansion in data and AI segments. Agentic AI could add between $300 billion and $500 billion in new spending as hybrid human-AI models reshape delivery, requiring mass reskilling, according to Nasscom. Eka Mobility, an electric commercial vehicles company in Pune, has signed an MOU with Shriram Green Finance to offer flexible, affordable financing, aiming to accelerate India's clean transport shift, the company said in a press release. The partnership will help EV adoption for fleet operators, dealers, and small businesses through loans for Eka's range of buses, trucks, light commercial vehicles, and three-wheelers, reducing financial barriers for zero-emission fleets. The 8th edition of the National Bio-Entrepreneurship Competition 2025 concluded in Bengaluru Saturday last week, with 16 startups and 6 student teams winning close to 40 crore rupees in cash prizes and investments. NBEC, organized every year by the Center for Cellular and Molecular Platforms, or CCAMP, in Bengaluru, supported by the Government of Karnataka, drew 3,100 entries nationwide this time, spotlighting promising biotech innovations from smaller cities. Winners will receive mentorship and support to scale their solutions, which address challenges in diagnostics, drug discovery, water, sanitation, and agriculture. Among the winners were Immunito AI, which is attempting to use AI to develop novel single-domain antibody drugs for autoimmune diseases and cancer, improving therapeutic options for previously hard-to-treat conditions. Conservation Labs automates post-harvest separation of red chili stems, boosting agricultural productivity and efficiency. Nexus Power creates biodegradable batteries from crop residue for mobility and stationary uses, offering a greener solution for energy storage. IIoT innovation converts industrial carbon emissions into valuable biochemicals using microalgae biorefinery, supporting both sustainability and circular economy goals. Student teams included those from institutes such as the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and ICGEB. Among the innovations they are developing are bone fillers for orthopedics, rapid pathogen detection kits, and yeast formulations to enhance ethanol production. Since 2017, CCamp NBEC has catalyzed the work of more than 110 young entrepreneurs, nurturing deep science startups with commercial potential, and is backed by top government agencies and global partners. CCamp itself is a leading biosciences innovation hub in India, having incubated more than 550 startups and driving translational research for healthcare, agriculture, and environmental impact. That's it for today. You can find links to all the headlines in the show notes wherever you get your podcasts. For in-depth conversations with entrepreneurs, investors, industry leaders, and other stakeholders building India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, please listen to my India Tech Report in Conversation podcast. To support my work, please subscribe to my free newsletter, India Tech Report, if you'd like to get all these in one place. I'm Hari Arakali. Thank you for listening.